This is the updated version of Ford's troubled Ecosport, a compact SUV that was given a rather rough time when first reviewed by us back in 2013. We've already sampled the 2018 model in Portugal, but now we're putting it under the microscope on home turf for the first time. Ford will no doubt expect to see the Ecosport's popularity increase. SUV sales in Europe continue to grow, and the manufacturer predicts that 1 in every 3 new cars sold by 2020 will come from this segment, with compact models accounting for a generous portion of that figure. Rival firms haven't been lazy when it comes to launching their own contenders, either, which only makes the Ecosport's job of standing out even tougher. Ford is keen to point out that the revised Ecosport features 2,300 new parts, although the basic layout remains largely the same. For the suspension, that means independent McPherson struts up front with a torsion beam at the rear. However, Ford says that it has now tuned the Ecosport's chassis specifically with European drivers in mind. A familiar engine lineup is also present. Kicking things off is the 1.0-liter Ecoboost petrol, which is available in both 123 bhp and 138 bhp guises, while a 98 bhp 1.5-liter TDCi is the sole diesel offering. A 4-wheel drive 1.5-liter Ecoblue diesel model will join the range mid-year. The most noticeable change, however, is the revised exterior. Where the original Ecosport looked overly cutesy and cartoonish, this new model looks far more purposeful. The trapezoidal grille has been enlarged, while angular fog light housings help complete a front 3/4 profile that Ford claims was inspired by rucksack straps. Supposedly these hint at the Ecosport's adventurous character. Make of that what you will.